Let's now go to question 7. It says, a least squares line fitted to a scatter plot will always maximize the number of data points lying on either side, equalize the number of data points on either side of the line. I reckon a lot of people did B because they're like, oh yeah, that sounds about right. But let's keep on going because B is not right. Minimize the sum of the squares of the vertical distance from each data point of the line. Now, think for a second. Does that sound like the right definition for a least squares regression line? And it is. That's the whole point. That's what you're trying to do. Our answer is C. Minimize the sum of the squares of the vertical distance from each data point to the line. That is your answer. That one right there. Oh, let's highlight it. There it is. Let's look at it for a second. Look here. Here is our data points in purple. What we want to do is draw this least squared regression line such that the vertical distance, called the residuals here, is the smallest. So that the sum of all of these vertical distances is the smallest. That's the whole point of the least square regression line. So that's why our answer is C. The other ones, minimize the sum of the squares of the shortest distance from each, no. Minimize the sum of the square of the horizontal distance, no. It's the vertical distance. The vertical distance. As you can see here, it's the vertical distance right there. All right, that's question 7.